whatever the treatment that you are going to do on the water, just to make that water as drinkable water, or just to make that water as a portable water, so that we can use that water for industrial purpose, for agricultural purpose, or for your domestic purpose. Okay, so basically we are going to treat the water, we are going to make some kind of treatment on that water. आपण त्या पाण्यावरती काहीतरी प्रक्रिया करणार आहोत, ठीक आहे, आणि ते पाणी पिण्यायोग्य बनवणार आहोत. मग आता हे प्रक्रिया करण्याची गरज काय? If you are going to see why it is required to treat the water, does any think का आपण पाण्याची ट्रीटमेंट का करायला पाहिजे? So the answer, anyone knows why we are going to treat the waters, why it is needed? See, I will tell you the answer why it is required or why it is needed. I will just scroll this PPT.
Because
Yes.
water is unrenewable.
Yeah, you can see the screen over there. Why we are going to treat the water, any water, apart from the drinking water. Drinking also we are going to treat at some point, because nowadays you are going to see some ROs or some water filters are present at your home. Correct आहे, तुमच्या घरामध्ये वॉटर फिल्टर्स असतात. का बरं रे? तुमच्याकडे तर पाणी नळातूनच आलेलं असतं ना, तरी सुद्धा तुम्ही वॉटर फिल्टर्स किंवा ROs यूज करताय. ठीक आहे, because we want more pure water, more pure water, more pure water. Okay, so water treatment systems, the first point of this particular chapter that we are going to start, why it is needed or why it is required to treat the water. So the answer is in front of your screen, you can see it. To kill all the pathogenic germs which are harmful to the human health. Whatever the germs which are present in the water, pathogenic germs or any kind of germs which are present in the water, which are not visible to the naked eyes, or some of them are visible also if you are going to take some dirty water. Okay, so whatever the germs which are present in the water, these are harmful for human health, and just to kill them we are going to treat the water, because after the treatment we are going to kill that bacteria or some germs which are being present in the water. So this is the first reason why we are going to treat the water. Okay, then second reason that we are going to discuss is nothing but to remove the unpleasant and objectionable taste and odors. Now whatever the water which has been there, it may be your drinking water, it may be water which is coming from the river, from the sea, from the industrial area, that is wastewater, whatever the water you have, that at the initial stage before the treatment, the water is having some unpleasant and objectionable taste and odor. जे काही नदीत मिसळलेलं पाणी असतं, दूषित पाणी ज्याला म्हणतात, त्याला असं काहीतरी घाणेरडा वास येत असतो. ठीक आहे, अनप्लेझंट टेस्ट अँड दी ऑर्डर्स, त्याचा एक घाणेरडा वास होते, त्याची टेस्ट सुद्धा तशीच असते, एकदम अनप्लेझंट. यू आर नॉट एबल टू ड्रिंक दॅट वॉटर, or you are not able going to use that water for your any other domestic purpose. ठीक आहे, इंडस्ट्रीतलं वेस्ट वॉटर आहे, आपण भांडी घासण्यासाठी वापरू शकतो का? नॉट एट ऑल, नॉट इन एनी केस. सो what actually we are going to do, we are going to remove this unpleasant and objectionable taste and odors from the water. ह्या पाण्यामध्ये जी काही त्याचा एक असा दुर्गंध येतोय त्या पाण्याचा, ठीक आहे, तो घाणेरडा वास येतोय, किंवा त्याचे जर टेस्ट ही ड्रिंकिंग वॉटर सोबत नसेल, ठीक आहे, जे पिण्यायोग्य पाणी नाही, त्याची काहीतरी वेगळीच टेस्ट आहे. ठीक आहे, सो व्हॉट ऍक्च्युअली वी आर गोइंग टू डू आफ्टर द ट्रीटमेंट ओनली, you can able to remove the unpleasant and objectionable taste and the odors from the water. So that is the next purpose why these treatment systems are there, or why we are going to treat the water and we are going to make it as a drinkable one. Okay, then the third reason, to remove the dissolved gases and the color of water. Now it is very basic thing which is which you know everyone. There are some gases which are always been present in the water. Okay, you know water is the combination of hydrogen and oxygen, correct? H2O, we called it as your water. But along with that there are some dissolved gases, dissolved, ठीक आहे, पाण्यामध्ये विरघळलेले. There are some dissolved gases which are present in the water. So to remove such dissolved gases which may be harmful for us, or because of which we are not going to drink that water, we have to remove these dissolved gases. We have to remove the color of the water. Okay. पाण्याचा कलर जर कुणाला विचारलं सांगता येईल कसा कलर असतो पाण्याला? Anybody knows whether water is having any color?
Water is colorless.
Yes.
Colorless.
Colorless. Everyone knows water is a colorless thing. Correct. पाण्याला कुठला कलर नसतो. But if you are going to see the water which is across the seashore or along any river or along any which comes from the industries, okay, whether this water is having the color, yes, definite. Industries मधून जे काही वेस्ट बाहेर पडतात, वेस्ट वॉटर बाहेर पडते आफ्टर दी ट्रीटमेंट, एखादं प्रोडक्ट तयार केलेलं आहे त्यासाठी पाणी वापरतात आणि नंतर ज्यावेळेस हे पाणी सोडलं जातं नदीमध्ये, डेफिनेटली इट इज हॅव्हिंग सम काइंड ऑफ कलर. कुठला तरी कलर असतो त्याला. Definitely some gases are been present which are dissolved in that water and which are harmful for our human health. Okay, so to remove the dissolved gases and the color of the water, we are going to treat the waters. Okay, dear students, you can copy this all things which I'm discussing right now in your notebook also. Okay, or you can take a picture in your mobile, then you can copy it in your notebook. Anyway, you can write it out. Okay, then to make the water fit for the domestic, for the industrial, and for the commercial uses. Whatever the water which is available to us or which we are getting, we have to make that water suitable for our drinking purpose, for our industrial purpose, or for any other purpose, where actually we are going to use that water. आपण जिथे पाणी वापरणार आहोत, ठीक आहे, मग ते पिण्यासाठी असेल, इंडस्ट्रियल पर्पज साठी असेल किंवा शेतीसाठी पाणी असेल, हे जे पाणी असणार आहे, वी हॅव टू मेक दॅट वॉटर सुटेबल फॉर अस. आपल्यासाठी ते सुटेबल असलं पाहिजे. ठीक आहे. अँड लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट, टू रिमूव्ह द मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्स अँड द कोलायडल मॅटर्स. why we are going to make the treatment on the water? To remove the microorganisms and the colloidal matters. ह्या पाण्यामध्ये जे काही मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्स प्रेझेंट आहेत, ठीक आहे, किंवा सस्पेंडेड मॅटर्स असतात, पाण्याच्या तळाशी जाऊन बसतात, ठीक आहे, काहीतरी पाण्याच्या एकदम टॉप सरफेसला असतात, ठीक आहे. मग हे जे काही सस्पेंडेड पार्टिकल्स असतील, ठीक आहे, की जे ऍट द बॉटम ऑफ युअर वॉटर और मे बी it may be anywhere present in the water, you have to remove these microorganisms as well as the colloidal matters, okay, from the given water, so that your water is considered as suitable for your drinking purpose, and you can obviously use it for your domestic purpose or for your industrial agricultural purpose. Okay, so that is why this water treatment is required. The first point that we are going to discuss, water treatment systems, where we are began our particular discussion with this need. आपण नेमकं पाण्याला ट्रीटमेंट का करतो? I hope you got these points very clearly. Still, if you feel any doubt regarding this, you can unmute and you can talk. I will wait for 1 minute so that if somebody is writing, you can note it down in your notebook also. कुणाला काही शंका असल्यास तुम्ही विचारू शकता. Why it is needed? I hope everyone is getting this. समजलंय कशासाठी ट्रीटमेंट करतोय आपण पाण्यासाठी, पाण्यावरती?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Some response is there. As I said earlier in my previous discussions also, response is very important. समजताय का नाही हे कसं समजणार? Okay. So if I ask you, yes, whether you are getting or not, there must be some response. Okay. Still there is no response. That means everyone is getting this. समजतंय सर्वांना? Number 11, 12, 38, 41, 61. अनम्यूट करून बोलू शकताय तुम्ही.